In terms of, I suppose, going back to the inflationary piece, I guess, and this is something I've heard you talk about, going back to the first property developer show in Stoke, relative house prices versus inflation, there's obviously a drastic gap in that. Do you think there's going to be some sort of event similar to the kind of post-pandemic, capital growth that happened in that very short, or do you think it might be more of a gradual reach towards that kind of pricing coming back to where it should be?
I would stake my reputation, meagre though it is, on it being gradual, unless there's a catalyst. All these things take a catalyst. And obviously, you answer your own question in a way. What happened around the pandemic? What was the catalyst? The stimulus, the bounce back loans. That's all I was hearing about in the auction rooms and all the rest of it. Everybody was awash with cash because the bounce back loans, the limited company owners, the business people, the entrepreneurs, they were the people buying the houses as well and things like that. And they had access to a huge amount of capital they'd never had before. It all got piled in and bang, the price spiked. Also, we had a significant lack of supply because people weren't sure about putting their house on the market, didn't want to move during COVID. They postponed things. So we've kind of gone through this wave of suddenly there's loads and loads more stock on the market. That's sorting itself out, but that's gradual as well. So that's all gradual.